Jasmy has gained approximately 4.08 points and a 50-day exponential moving average in the past 24 hours. EMA is currently 0.007, which is extremely significant, and the average 24-hour trading volume for Jasmy coin is approximately 87 million transactions. In all practical terms, 0.006 is Jasmy's next opponent, which is a significant number. In this video, we will take you step by step through the Jasmy coin price exam for now or in approximately 1 week, and attempt to answer these frequently posed questions. Support and obstruction levels for Jasmy etc. further demonstrate that the 24-hour trading volume for Jasmy coin is 873,429, which is incredibly high. However, prior to delving too deeply into the Jasmy technical analysis, it is important to discuss the current economic climate. An analysis of the market over the past 24 hours reveals a decline of 1.84, bringing the total digital currency market to $1,177,122,561,953, and in a sort of significant matter. The tether, USDT, to Bitcoin exchange rate is Bitcoin controls 49.89% of the entry market while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, which is generally very significant. This has resulted in Bitcoin's price falling to 30,231.42 cents after a decline of 0.54, which in every way that matters has caused Ethereum's price to fall to 1860.73 cents over the past 24 hours. XRP, the local currency, has risen 0.66% and is currently trading at 47 cents, or so they believe. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after a 0.77 decrease in value. These events sort of demonstrate that the market is going in an extremely descending direction for fundamentally present moment. Bitcoin represents 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% share. Currently, a particularly broad kind of negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto macro. The Jasmy token support and resistance are significant technical markers used to identify key price levels where the trend can change direction in an unobtrusive manner. Support is a price level at which buyers are typically more supportive. As evidenced by the fact that the 24-hour trading volume for Jasmy coin is currently 87,003,429 tokens, dynamic and unquestionably prevent the coin's price from falling further. Similarly, the level at which merchants become truly obstructed is a level at which they become truly obstructed. July 31st to August 1st, 2023, in this video, we will guide you through the Jasmy coin cost examination for this week or the next. What is the current price forecast for Jasmy coin? Is Jasmy a prudent investment and a significant issue? What are the support and resistance levels of Jasmy coin? Jasmy's fusion, the for the most part current Jasmy coin is 0.007 with an exchanging volume of 87,349,000 and the preceding 24 hours demonstrating that furthermore Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a decrease of 0.77 in esteem in a buy and large significant way at present. Jasmy trolley is up 4.08 since yesterday with a market capitalization of $341,299,565. Investigation of the worth of Jasmy coins. Jasmy expense examination for July 27-23. Other types of supplementary characteristics. We use relative strength index RSI moving extremely normal combination and dissimilarity to map support and resistance levels for Jasmy coin, whose 24-hour trading volume is 87,034,29, contrary to conventional wisdom. After a hybrid display, the mapped line is typically below the signal line, but before delving into the Jasmy technical analysis, let's discuss the current economic climate. Contrary to popular belief, the Jasmy token is not a security token. Examining the Jasmy coin's value. Jasmy expense examination for July 27, 23, within a sort of everyday time span absolutely made sense of below, especially further look at Jasmy coin's support and opposition levels, and so forth. Exceptionally further look at the current 24-hour trading volume for Jasmy coin is 87 milligrams. The truly relative quality record RSI for Jasmy coin truly is right now drifting at 19 for 14 days, particularly normal line, which truly implies Jasmy generally is an oversold zone and a pattern essentially inversion, and a real sense is conceivably demonstrating that. Yet before plunging profoundly into the Jasmy specialized examination, let us talk about the Jasmy coin's history. On its website, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. The governing body acknowledged that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Additionally, there were petitions from Fidelity Wisdom Tree Funds, Bannock Galaxy Digital, and Invesco. It's important to note that top investment firms such as ARK Invest 21 Shares and Bitwise and Best have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have shared their thoughts on the new change on the SEC's website, the majority of which are positive. James C. Fratt, a Bloomberg researcher who writes about crypto and Bitcoin, appears to believe that the market is already performing well. It is important to note that this is only one of many steps that must be taken for the SEC to accept ETF applications. However, these steps have no bearing on the clearance procedure. As seafaring, given how recent events have transpired, I have to believe that Valkyrie Fund's application will be approved on Monday. Additionally, as I stated yesterday, this is merely a step in the process and does not imply that these will be accepted. The process has merely commenced. In the meantime, the news that Europe is preparing to launch its first spot Bitcoin ETF has made people more enthusiastic about the approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF. The company responsible for selling Bitcoin exchange-traded funds (ETFs) reports that the Bitcoin ETF will begin trading in July. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and how people feel about the cryptocurrency market as a whole.